windshield's off and this off.
That's it for the big deal.
Yeah.
Job.
For the tires,
So it's in gear right now.
They
I'm
got
thinking-
plenty of tread on them, but they're past their date.
they are.
It's in gear right now.
They don't have a white wall. Like 50, sorry?
Yeah.
So it's in gear right now, so it can move nowhere. But I mean, I wouldn't know how to navigate this stick shift. I mean, there isn't a whole lot of indication
Well,
of whether it's first, second, neutral,
And it's,
third gear.
it's gonna be a real touchy stick shift too. As a little bit of, I drove it back in after I washed the wheels off this morning and
It was rough.
I couldn't find first gear.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't know where first gear is either.
Yeah. But I can sit in it and find them all. So it's, the regular Volkswagen, you push down on the knob
Yeah.
and go over and back for reverse. And then first was up in front, and then second was back, third was up here, and fourth was back this way.
Is that the original? No, that's part.
It's in the original location, but it's an aftermarket shifter.
I think we should. It could be fun to get a new shifter. Get a new shifter. Get a little 8-ball shifter.
Well, I don't know how much they have
Change.
modified the
Yeah.
original one.
Yeah, shifter could be different.
That's a,
You need to put on the lift to service that. Yeah. You can't really crawl under this car. Does this get hot?
Yes.
It's a little warm.
I think that's the reason they moved it up and added that is because this.
they didn't move
Well, they didn't move it up. It's just how the
They didn't move
engine's designed. Yeah.
Oh.
The,
It's because
the Super 90 was naturally lower. It's a different, the oil fillers for this specific engine.
Yeah, this is just a breather pipe. This just goes down to the ground. See this blue pipe?
Yeah.
It just goes down.
But an electric fuel pump, I mean, do you know when they added that?
Yeah.
I mean, it looks relatively new.
Well, some of it is older
I got
pieces and such. Tim, on the newest Porsches, what they're doing is they're adding a small battery between the motor and the transmission to cut out, and also in between the turbos to cut out any lag and all that.